our road test of our 2014 14 plate Ford Transit Connect 200 1.6 TDCi Trend aircon. We've got 84,300 on the clock, and we'll just go for a little run just to make sure that everything's all okay with it, and then it drives all alright. Just the steering, which I should have done before, and yeah, it drives very nicely. No warning lights on the dash, everything's all good and green on that front. 6-speed gearbox as well, all nice and slick, no grunting, it changes very nicely, lovely and smooth. Drives very well, to be fair. Trend model, deep impact blue, really nice dark, deep metallic, and it's got full colour coded body kit, front, sides, rear, everything. Nice set of gloss black multi-spoke Fox alloys on it as well, so it really pops, it looks the part in that deep impact blue as well. It also benefits from the climate pack, which is your aircon and heated front screen. A nice little bonus as well to go with it. Great pedigree. We took it in part exchange from a customer who just traded up to a bigger van, bought one of our PBS Sportline vans, and it's a really nice van this, so it's absolutely no problem going with this again. Great service history, we've got lots of invoices and receipts for servicing. We've got 6 service records in total. The first 4 services we've got recorded with SMC Ford, then it was more recently done by an independent. In November, I think, of 2023, it had cam belt and water pump changed. We've also had a clutch master cylinder done on it at around that time as well. And the most recent service was done in September of last year, which included gearbox oil as well. So been very well looked after, nicely serviced. It's not worked hard really. It's still a nice, clean, straight van. A couple of little bits around it. The front bumper could possibly do with a little bit of a tidy up, and the rear bumper could do with being refitted on the bumper skirt. But overall, a really nice, tidy van. But we have 2 keys for it. We've got the remote plus the blade. Lots I could go on about with the van, but we'll put all the information about it up on our website, lots of photos, video walk around. If there is anything in addition that you would like to know about it, or the delivery service that we offer with our own in-house delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.